Do you want to remove suggested people on Messenger? You can hide someone from Messenger's suggested contacts with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to remove suggested people on Messenger. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To hide someone from Messenger's suggested contacts. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you are on Messenger, tap on the three horizontal lines menu at the top left of the screen. Now a sliding menu will appear. From here, tap on the settings icon. You are now on your Messenger profile screen. Scroll down to the Preferences section and tap on Privacy and Safety. A new screen will appear with various settings. From here, find and tap on Hidden Contacts. Here you will see a list of contacts you have added to hide from suggested people. To add more people to hide from suggested contacts, tap on the Add People icon. Now, a new screen will appear with a list of friends you have on Messenger. Select the friend you want to remove from suggested contacts. You can also use the search box to find specific people. Once selected, the people will be added to hidden contacts, and you will not see these friends on your Messenger suggested list.